You know why I feel like I'm stuck in life? It's because I ain't got an iPad. Like, no, I cracked the code. That's the reason. Like, I don't know what's the science behind it, but I feel like if I get an iPad, my life will be better.
Okay, we live. We live, y'all. We live. So happy. My iPad coming in. Hopefully the sun ain't too bright on my face. Yes, Lord. But no, I bought an iPad. I purchased it Saturday and it's here today. Alright, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see me. Hold on, let me fix the little light. Cause y'all, I know I'm excited because I didn't even try to, like, you know, fix myself up or nothing because I just got off of work. Girl, I still got my work clothes on. I ain't trying to fix my hair. I ain't even trying to clean my face up a little bit because I know it's probably greasy. But, yo, who cares? Who cares about, hold on. Let me turn my fan and stuff off. All right, I think this is going to be good. I think this is going to be good. But anyways, y'all, my iPad here. My iPad is here. Y'all, I'm too excited, too geek. I'm too everything at this point. I'm happy. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy right now. And I guess you could say this like a what's the word? What's the word they use when they do like, this is the purchase I didn't need to make but I made anyways? It's a certain word for it. It might come to mind at the end of the video. Damn, I should start the intro. Hey y'all, it's Quadrilla Lene, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, y'all should already know by the title. Y'all should already know by the thumbnail. Sorry I got this knife in my hand. I really want to take my package out. But y'all, I got an iPad. I got an iPad in a case. It's me. I got an iPad. Yeah. I ain't even finna prolong it because why would I do that? But y'all, I've been wanting an iPad since iPads came out. I've been wanting an iPad since I was 5'9", and I'm 6 feet. And I know some people might be like, girl, 5'9" and 6 feet is close together. That's the close height. But Bookie, I was 5'9" in the 5th grade. I ain't hit 6 feet till my senior year of high school. But yeah, y'all, this the case. Yeah, it's giving. I'm a copycat like everybody else. Composition notebook. I'm so happy. Y'all don't even know, like, yo, this is it. Okay, yeah. Okay, magnetic. It ain't gonna open. I lied. It is gonna open by itself. Y'all, I'm so happy. How the case look, y'all? I should probably have the description up, but the description is gonna be on my phone that is recording. But yeah, y'all, this is the case. It ain't one of those like trifold ones, but it's like this, and it has a top screen, which is good for me because I don't want to break it. Yeah. Yeah. And then this a part that like helps it stand up or whatever. Just put it like that. You can put it like, oh, I forgot, they did say it's magnetic, so any angle it should be able to stand on. Like it should be able to stand like that, like that, even like that. But yeah, it is magnetic, so it should stand by itself. It comes with a protective case. It's supposed to be drop proof. Yeah, it's a 3-piece. What else am I forgetting? Oh yeah, and you can put your pencil right here if you got one. I don't have a pencil yet, but next paycheck I will be purchasing one. Hopefully y'all can see that. I don't care. Yeah, I'm so ready to open it. Anyways, y'all, like, ooh, a little bit too much inside of the box. I been working like a dog day in and day out. And like, I just came to the fact that, you know, I need to treat myself. I do. But anyways, guys. The star of the show. Yes, y'all. Yes, bitch. Yes. Yes, bitch. Yes. This is the star of the show. My iPad. My iPad is here. My iPad is here, bitch. Oh my god, y'all. I just can't believe that Quadria Lene, has an iPad. But anyways, Bookie, I have a space gray iPad, 9th generation, Wi-Fi, no cellular, because Bookie. I might have had the money for the iPad, but I didn't have the money for the monthly cellular. I did not. I didn't have the extra $100 that I was willing to spend. I could have spent it. Don't get me wrong. I could have spent that big money. But did I feel like it? No. Because when it comes to myself, oh, Bookie, I'm gonna be a cheapskate till I die. Okay. But yeah, y'all, it's 64 gigabytes, and don't try to think, oh, she got the less amount of gigabytes, she too cheap for me. Nah, Bookie, I paid $9.99 a month to Apple for my iPhone to give me 2 terabytes a month. So Bookie, y'all already know, once we get this thing powered up, it will be connected to them 2 terabytes. What y'all talking about? It's time to finally open up the star of the show. Y'all, I don't even know, like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm holding the box like this so y'all can see what I'm doing, but Bookie, do y'all really need to see? No. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna have an iPad. And I literally start school. Today's a Sunday, so I start school the following Monday. Tomorrow I start school, so Bookie came in on a good timing, because the way Amazon's making it seem like my girl wasn't gonna come in till Thursday, and I'm like, no, I need that thing to come in today. But yeah, y'all, this my girl without the plastic on. I'm so happy. I don't know why Apple be having their boxes to where, like, you gotta fucking damn near put a pillow at the bottom of the ground. It smells like a new shoe, y'all. I'm so excited. This is my girl. So happy, y'all. So happy for myself. Because I'm a grown ass woman. This is my iPad. And she is a little warm. But she's mine. So happy. I'm so happy. I literally did my big one. I did my big one. Y'all like, girl, you just paid for it. But girl, my inner child is so happy right now. Get the case ready before I even take it out, because Bookie, if the case ain't ready, ain't shit ready. I'm gonna leave the plastic on there. No, I get this shit off. Alright, you're not telling me how I get this shit off. I don't want to break the fucking case to put the fucking shit on there with. Alright, I don't want to break it. And I literally bought something that I don't know how to take apart. Alright, let's watch the video on Amazon first, and I'll be right back. I'm back and I'm better like Bryce Triller. And I finally get the case on after watching the little, not the YouTube video, but the little video like 5-6 times, you know. Y'all, I'm so happy. Like, these hoes can't fuck with me. These hoes can't fuck with me.
a ditch, but they know I be outside with it. 100 deep in the session.
This is really how I feel right now. I be vibing, won't catch me chilling with no broke nigga that's childish. That's what my little iPad looking like. Now it's down to the hard part. I gotta remember what's my Apple ID. I don't remember. I ain't even got like a glimpse of what that motherfucker is. But we're gonna try. We're gonna try. Wait, let me go back. I'm messing up big time. So as we all know, when you get an Apple product, it's gonna say, all right, Bookie, wait, what you speak? You speak a little Spanish, you speak a little Espanol, a little Japanese, konnichiwa, a little Chinese, ni hao. What you speak? I don't know a lot of languages, but what do you speak? Okay, hola, ¿cómo estás? Okay, and it's gonna say what part of the world you in, baby. USA. Doesn't show options for, hold on, let me see if the option was gonna show up, because I'm trying to make sure my video is still recording. So yeah, still going too fast. I'm really excited to get on my iPad. Yeah. All right, y'all, it's gonna let you say like what your connection is, because Bookie, you ain't got cellular. Hop on the Wi-Fi now. And it better work. Yeah. This one data and privacy. Yeah, I feel like the only thing with this case, my dog has blonde hair and her hair is already getting in my shit. I'm gonna have to beat her up. Don't call Animal Protection Services on me. And use your fingerprint. Cause we ain't got Face ID like that, so we gotta use the fingerprint. So trying to do this little fingerprint shit, y'all. Can you see? Adjust your grip. Complete. Cause I was having a hard time doing this shit. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie, this shit was hard. Create a password. Y'all can't know that, but just know that's the next step, you know. I know, bro, nigga, that's childish. These hoes can't fuck with me. What's up, G-Way? Y'all remember my Apple ID, cause that's the next step. Hold on, I don't remember my Apple ID, so I'm gonna have to reset it. Give me 1 second. Give me a second. All right, y'all, I'm back again, and like I told y'all the first 5-10 times, I didn't remember that motherfucking password. The fuck? He even tried to get on my school laptop to see if I knew what the fuck that motherfucker was. I did not remember what that laptop. Not the laptop. I didn't remember what the password was. Please excuse me. Like I said it in the intro, I just got off of work. It may take a few minutes to get your iPad up and running. Y'all, I don't know how to act, cause like, I feel like a bad bitch right now. I'm feeling like a baddie. I got my new iPad. Okay, yeah. It's giving, I'm finna start eating down. What are you talking about? Yeah, I'm so happy. Ooh, girl, my little peekaboo hair sticking out. I already know. In this video, I'm finna be looking like a hot ass man. They want me to set up an Apple Card. They saying set up Apple Card. Bookie, where do I look like going to a register like, do you take Apple Pay? Let's be a little bit more for real this time. Alright, y'all. And my iPad is updated. I need this update to take. I need to go by a little faster because I'm ready to get to the magic. Download apps. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Once I do get all my stuff on here, y'all already know what I was about to say. There will be a what's on my iPad video, cause like, be for real, y'all. Y'all already knew that was coming. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. While my iPad doing this thing or whatever, updating, yeah, I'm feeling like across this bed. Cause I'm tired. I just got done working a 9-hour shift. My feet, my ass, and my back hurt. I'm ready to lay down right now. Watching what are we watching? Watching The Walking Dead and watching Shameless and watching Insecure and watching everything else I'll be watching on my iPad. Yeah. Watching Tubi, yeah, it's gonna take my viewer experience to a whole another level. But anyways, y'all, I'm finna lay across my bed. It's updated. Y'all already know. I'll come back when it's done. Yeah, bye. Where y'all on back? Ain't gonna lie, I was getting too comfortable on that bed, but y'all, I finally got my little iPad set up. Well, it's not set up all the way, but y'all, I got the main pointers down, you know. And that's what matters. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just so proud of myself, y'all, because I really have always wanted an iPad now that I got one. I'm feeling like a bad bitch. Like, there ain't really that much for me to say. Y'all just see me set up the little iPad. It probably was the best video, but y'all already know Bookie. I ain't the best. So okay, if you looking for some grade A YouTube and content, I'm not the one for you. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching this video of me setting up my new iPad. Thank you very much. I don't know, once I get comfortable with it and everything, I will make a what is on my iPad video. And what else? Tomorrow, I'm gonna do a little vlog for y'all. You know, just a little bit. Ain't gonna cap with this iPad. Editing videos is gonna be easier because I wear glasses, and even with my glasses, I can't see. You think I'm gonna be able to edit a fucking 30-minute video on this iPhone? Yeah, I got this. I got a big enough screen to do that now. But I just want to say thank y'all for watching this video. You know, tune in for more. And yeah, bye.